Folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. Local new car dealer trade-in, a 22 F150 four-wheel drive, STX package, STX cloth inside, very nicely equipped. And this one has the one that most people want, the 5-liter V8 engine. It's sitting there running, quiet, smooth, no issues, and a really nice truck. You walk around, let you take a look at it. It's got almost brand new Coopers on it. I did not put those on. That's the way it was traded in. White with gray or black inside. Spray-in bed liner. It's got the factory 20-inch wheels on it. Really good looking truck. That STX appearance package makes all that monochrome look really good on this truck, I think. It's got the 40 console 40 bucket seats. We're going to replace this driver's seat cover. It's got a little split in it right there. So we don't just sew that up like most dealers. We'll get a brand new seat cover and put on it. Really nice truck. Navigation. Steering wheel controls. It's got 83,900 miles on it. Power windows, locks, tilt, cruise, all that stuff.
3737. That's 800-746-3737. 800-746-3737.
Hey, this is Lauren, and a little thing.
Little final cleanup on it. A couple little touch-up spots. And this thing should be ready to go. Beautiful truck. We have great financing for great credit, mediocre financing for mediocre credit. We can also get you financed if you have bad credit, usually. Give me a call on my cell anytime. Carfax is on the website, along with the service work we've performed. All the optional equipment from Ford is at the bottom of our website if you scroll all the way down. And give me a call anytime. Mike Stout, Sawnee Mountain Motors. 404-867-5028. Thanks so much and have a great day.